Pomegranate has been eaten and used as medicine for over 3,000 years across ancient Egypt, Persia, India, and the Mediterranean. Modern science has now confirmed what those civilizations always knew. This fruit is one of the most nutritionally powerful foods on Earth. And most people in the US and UK are not eating nearly enough of it. In this video, I am going to tell you exactly what pomegranate and its fully natural juice do inside your body, the specific compounds responsible for its extraordinary health benefits, and why eating or drinking it consistently may be one of the most important dietary habits you can build for your long-term health. Let us start with what is actually inside a pomegranate. Pomegranate is one of the richest sources of polyphenols of any food ever tested. Polyphenols are plant compounds that act as antioxidants in the body, and the specific polyphenols in pomegranate are called punicalagins and punicic acid. These two compounds are unique to pomegranate. You cannot get them from any other food in the same concentration. Punicalagins are so potent that pomegranate juice has been shown to have 3 times the antioxidant activity of red wine and green tea, two foods already celebrated for their antioxidant content. Pomegranate also contains significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and fiber. A single pomegranate provides around 40% of your recommended daily vitamin C intake and around 36% of your recommended daily vitamin K intake, but it is the punicalagins that make pomegranate truly exceptional. When you consume punicalagins, your gut bacteria convert them into a compound called urolithin A. Urolithin A has been shown in clinical research to improve mitochondrial function in your cells. Your mitochondria are the energy-producing units inside every cell in your body. When mitochondrial function declines, which happens naturally with age and is accelerated by poor diet and chronic inflammation, you experience fatigue, cognitive decline, muscle weakness, and slower metabolism. Urolithin A from pomegranate actively reverses this decline at the cellular level. This is one of the reasons pomegranate consumption is so consistently linked to increased energy, better cognitive function, and slower biological aging. Now let me walk you through the specific health benefits that are most supported by clinical research. The first and most extensively studied benefit is heart health. Multiple clinical trials have shown that regular pomegranate consumption significantly improves cardiovascular health in several ways simultaneously. Pomegranate reduces LDL cholesterol oxidation. Oxidized LDL, which is low-density lipoprotein that has been damaged by free radicals, is the primary driver of plaque formation inside your arteries. When LDL oxidizes, it sticks to your arterial walls and accumulates, narrowing your arteries over time and dramatically increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. The punicalagins in pomegranate are so effective at neutralizing the free radicals that cause LDL oxidation that one study found regular pomegranate juice consumption reduced arterial plaque by up to 30% over 1 year. Pomegranate also lowers blood pressure. A study published in the journal Plant Foods for Human Nutrition found that drinking 250 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily for 2 weeks produced a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The mechanism is that punicalagins inhibit an enzyme called ACE, which is angiotensin-converting enzyme, the same enzyme that blood pressure medications target. Pomegranate juice essentially performs the same function naturally. The second major benefit area is anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of most modern chronic disease, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and many cancers. The punicalagins in pomegranate are among the most powerful anti-inflammatory compounds found in any food. They inhibit inflammatory signaling pathways in the body, particularly NF-κB, which is one of the master regulators of inflammation at the genetic level. Multiple laboratory and early clinical studies have shown that pomegranate compounds inhibit the growth of cancer cells, particularly in prostate cancer, breast cancer, and colon cancer. One study found that drinking 8 ounces of pomegranate juice daily significantly slowed the progression of prostate cancer in men who had already been treated for the disease. While pomegranate is not a cancer treatment, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it one of the most cancer-protective foods you can consume regularly. The third benefit area is gut health and digestion. Pomegranate is rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut and supports healthy bowel movements. The polyphenols in pomegranate act as prebiotics, meaning they selectively feed the species of gut bacteria associated with health and immunity while inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria including E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. A healthy gut microbiome is connected to virtually every aspect of your health, from immune function to mental health to skin clarity. The consistent prebiotic effect of pomegranate consumption is one reason people who eat it regularly report improvements in digestion, reduced bloating, more stable mood, and better immune response. The fourth benefit is skin health and anti-aging. The vitamin C in pomegranate drives collagen synthesis in your skin, which maintains skin firmness and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The punicalagins protect skin cells from UV damage at the cellular level, reducing the rate of collagen breakdown caused by sun exposure, and the anti-inflammatory compounds reduce the redness, reactivity, and uneven skin tone that come from chronic internal inflammation. Clinical research has shown that regular pomegranate consumption improves skin hydration, reduces hyperpigmentation, and measurably slows skin aging. People who consume pomegranate or its natural juice daily consistently report a visible improvement in skin clarity and glow within 4 to 6 weeks. The fifth benefit is joint health and exercise recovery. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate extend specifically to joint tissue. Studies have shown that pomegranate extract reduces symptoms of arthritis, including pain and stiffness, by inhibiting the inflammatory enzymes that break down cartilage. For people who exercise regularly, pomegranate juice consumed before or after training has been shown to reduce muscle soreness, speed recovery, and improve performance in subsequent training sessions. Now let me tell you the most important thing. All of these benefits require consistency. You cannot eat pomegranate once a week and expect transformative results. The research showing significant improvements in cardiovascular markers, inflammation, and skin health all involved daily consumption over 4 to 12 weeks. How to consume it for maximum benefit. Eat the whole fruit, including the arils, which are the seed pods, as often as possible. The fiber in the whole fruit adds additional prebiotic benefit that juice alone does not provide. When drinking the juice, always choose fully natural, cold-pressed pomegranate juice with no added sugar and no pasteurization if possible. Pasteurization destroys a portion of the heat-sensitive polyphenols. Cold-pressed raw pomegranate juice preserves the full spectrum of compounds that produce these results. Aim for 1 pomegranate or 250 milliliters of natural pomegranate juice every day. Add the arils to your morning oats, your salads, your yogurt, or eat them straight as a snack. Drink the juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for fastest absorption. 3,000 years of traditional medicine and decades of modern clinical research all point to the same conclusion. Pomegranate is one of the most health-promoting foods on earth. It protects your heart, reduces inflammation, supports your gut, clears your skin, and slows the aging of your cells from the inside out. Start eating it every day. Your body will thank you within a month. Subscribe to Glowup Health for weekly nutrition and wellness videos grounded in real science and designed for your real life. I will see you in the next one.